So let's get started. The first thing is some of the introduction and features of Tableau. So Tableau, as you know, is a very wide and a very high range of visualization tools, as we all know, and it has taken up the market in a very quick phase. Earlier, it was an initial feature of it and was initially a standalone tool itself, but in 2018 and 2019, the company, which is named as the Salesforce, has bought Tableau. It has bought up Tableau, and now it's a part of a Salesforce as well. So that's why whenever we get to have a Salesforce, we also get to have for the Tableau license as well. So it's a leading visualization tool, basically. That is why it's a visualization tool and why it's a leading visualization tool, all of it, because it's a desirable and has a unique features. So there are many desirable features that we have, and it's something which has a very powerful data discovery and explorating applications, which allows you to answer some important questions in seconds. So now what important questions can be? It's related to data. So in industry, if I talk about in terms of industry, when we ever see, there in an industry today, if I talk about the higher level of the management, they are more interested in talking with numbers. They are more interested in talking with PPTs and all of this. So when we talk about all of these terms, and when we talk about some manager or a VP or maybe an assistant manager or someone who is talking on these terms, they are more intended on seeing the visuals with the statistic numbers from that data. They are not interested in looking for those vague data in the Excel or something. So for that, there is a need or there is an urge that makes up these PPTs available. Now, these PPTs are something which were earlier done on Excel, but due to the Excel limitation with different charts, with different features, with combining the data sets or by on a very high level or on a large scale level, or connecting it through or through a different platform, means a database or something of that sort, due to all these lags, and also with the limitation of some of the data visual tools, we came into the market with the data visualization. Initially, that was Tableau, which helps not to speed the analysis process, but it was a pretty self-reliant feature as well. Why it speed up the analysis? Because herein the visuals are mostly available, just a one-click solution you have, wherein you just click on the data, you just get your data into that tool, and you just select the particular visual you want to go ahead with, and you can work accordingly. So that's why it has a speed of analysis and it's really work very fast. And that was included as one of the feature of Tableau as well. Now, coming on to the next of it things, why it's being a self-reliant tool as itself. Self-reliant is because it's a one-click solution tool wherein you can just click, you can get your data in, and you can simply work with those data sets. Now, how that feature works or how you get your data sets, how you get any data sources, how you do with it is all something which can be explained on the tool itself. So let's go to that tool and see.